guys, today I introduce you our GS Audio Recone Kit for subwoofer. All standard sizes are available. Those are pre-assembled and ready for the mounting and suitable for the major part of the subwoofer on the market. All Recone Kit are customizable in according to the necessities of the customer and the use of the sub. You can choose to have the cone already mounted on the Recone Kit or not. Without the cone mounted, it's a better choice for high power subwoofer because you can screw the spider to the basket and then put the cone. This is better because it guarantees better safety. If you choose a Recone Kit with the cone already mounted on it, you can't screw, but is easier to install. The Recone Kit are shipped with the carbon dust cap and the specific glue. You can find all the technical information on the website, and you can buy from every corner of the world because we ship worldwide.